If you ask women what sort of guy they like, they will typically say, tall. If I were to ask you what makes a man high, what height would he need to be, you will probably say what? 6 foot or more, right? You'll most likely say that the man has to be 6 foot or taller. To use America for example, 14.5% of the adult males in America are 6 foot or taller, leaving 85.5% of males being less than 6 foot. Now, let's have an appearance at the typical height of guys per country in a variety of nations, so you can see that it's quite much the very same in most countries all over the world. 731 meters. United States, 1,763. Australia, 1,748. Norway, 1,824. Spain, 1,78. South Africa, 1,69. Ghana in Africa, 1,695. UK, 1,77. Iceland, 1,798. Those numbers are for guys who are 18 years of age or older, so it includes older males who are usually a bit much shorter than they were when they were more youthful guys. 5% of the male population are taller than 6 foot. If you take a look at the typical heights of other nations, you'll see that it's basically like the U.S., so you can assume that the same uses to basically every other nation out there. In countries like Norway, where the guys are taller, there will be a greater percentage of guys who are 6 feet and above, but usually speaking worldwide, a lot of people are not 6 foot. So, how can you bring in ladies if you're not high, if you're not 6 foot or greater? The way that it works is that when a female is asked what sort of man she likes and she says, tall, what she's truly stating, most of the times is, I desire a man who makes me feel safe. A tall male triggers her instinctive need to feel safe around a man so a man can safeguard her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.